Hey, stop scrolling. This video is for you. If you have not yet filed your ITR return, watch this video and do it now because last date is 31st of July 2021. Hey guys, Shraddha here. Today we are getting into this topic. You need to write ITR login and just try to avoid first link, whatever results you are getting. It's good if you are just getting into login option. Second option, you can see login is there. Tap there. Okay. Click on this. This would be there. This will be coming. There are two ways to get into login. Helps downside help center, you can see login, and then on right side top corner also you can see login and register. Click on login. If you have not registered, then firstly register, then click on login. Okay, just type your PAN card details, type your password and all details, and then just sign in into it. Now you need to select assessment year 2026 2027, then click on online, then continue. Okay. Okay, here you can see start new filing. Click there. Here individual proceed. I'm considering you are a salaried person, or maybe if you are even running your business or you are a freelancer, then also you can watch this video. So I'm just clicking. I will be clicking on proceeding. So see, for individual and salaried person, you can get into ITR 1 and 2, and for say freelancer, you can get into 3 and 4. Here you can see I'm selecting ITR 1, continuing with ITR 1. Okay, you can see this right here. There would be multiple forms. Before proceeding, you should know that which ITR like version you should proceed with. For me, it's ITR 1. Now I'm just clicking on proceed with ITR 1. You can see this right here. This would be coming. Then we need to get into let's get started. You can see this option blue button there. Okay, here you can see this. Check out this. You can read this. Are you filing the income tax return for any of these following reasons? You need to get into others. Okay, continue. Here there would be some summaries, 6 to 7 personal information, gross total income, then total deduction, then tax paid, and all these options should get a green tick. Okay, just get into each one of them inside and just fill it nicely. Half of the things will be automatically filled. You can read this 139 1 version. It should, you need to tap there. The nature of employment, you can select whether it's a state government or central government, or say public job, or say others also option is there. You can get into others too. I continued with the others because I'm not a salaried person. Like sorry, I am not a central government, or say like I'm not a government servant, so I got into others option. You can see it right here. Okay, just tap there on others. It's good if you just understand that what kind of job are you doing and which option is the best suitable for you. Just based on that, just continue. And in filing section, you can read 1391. You need to tap there only. Okay, you can see this right here. So return file in or before the date, you can see this right here. Other option, they will be automatically taken, like no for some options. Then once done, you can just read it right here. Okay, make sure that whatever red lines are there, for me you can read it right here, that my I did not selected my secondary address. So for it, you need to edit each and everything. Wherever red line is there, just understand what's the mistake and then get into, I'm just getting to edit because I did not selected that my current location and permanent location are the same, primary and secondary. Okay, so for now I'm just doing this. I'll click on yes, and then it will be automatically filled. That is my secondary address will also get the same say details from primary address. Okay, you can just see this right here. Then I have just confirmed. Once confirmed, you will be able to see one blue tick there, sorry, one green tick there, that is confirmed. That is first option is, you can read it right here, this green tick is there. Similarly, you need to get into each and every details like gross total income, then total deduction, tax paid, and everything. You need to get this green tick for all. Okay, for most of the things it will be automatically filled. Here again you can see we have pre-filled. You can read this right here, they have already filled it. You can just see this, they have already filled a lot of things automatically, like based on our information, whatever forms we have selected. You can just see this right here, they have already filled it. Okay, so 00 or whatever details are there, they have already voted. And then I'm just what we need to do is just to confirm it. Okay, you can just see this right here. Okay, just wait. It's getting loaded. So yeah, you need to get into each and everything. Most of the things they, so for gross total income it will be mostly it will be auto filled. Okay, you need to just click on confirm and then you need to proceed. You can just see this right here. Okay, here you can see this. Okay, just keep on reading it, and it's good if you are alongside while watching this video, alongside you are also filing your tax return. Then just what we need to do, we just need to get into confirm. Here again you can see this green tick for second also. We have got two green tick. Okay, now we need to get into three more things: total deduction, tax paid, verify your tax liability details. Let's just get into total deductions. They will all again autofill this also. You can just see this right here. Okay, all you need to do is to confirm. You can see this also got a green tick. Then tax paid, you can see this. Okay, again it also got a green tick. Now last one you can just see this confirm. Again it also got a green tick. Okay, here you can see this the details there. Okay, you can see all the details there. Now preview and submit your form. Here I, that is we are going to take a pledge. Okay, I then details, you need to put your location, and then yeah, then you need to proceed to validation. You need not to put a identification number or this on that. It is not at all required. Okay, now here see, whenever you are filling details and if there would be any issue, then in this last page you will get all the issues. I have while I was doing this process, I was able to do it in one, like in one go, but I tried another way, and then there were some issues that most of the people used to face, because last time I have noticed that some people used to face basic issue. Here you can see right hand side there is a red alert, go to validation. Okay, now whatever issues are there, you need to make it successful, make changes in it. You need to just get it done, get it all done. You need to, okay, here you can see preview. You can also preview and you can check all the details if you have said do it in the right manner. Then you can see proceed to verification. Now there would be some options whether e-verification now or later. So for later you can do it within 30 days. You can just see this right here. For later, obviously it's good if we are doing it now. Okay, I got it within a day. So yesterday night I applied for it, and today morning I got my refund. Okay, so it's good if you are just that, if you don't have any OTP issue, like if you have OTP issue or if you are facing an issue, then you can go for verify later, or else it's always good to get into verify now option. Okay, I'm just proceeding with verify now. Here you can see I would like to get an OTP. DSC is also option is also there, but I'll get into OTP option. Okay, you can just read it right here. For first option there is an OTP thing. Here you can see this bank account is all like I obviously I need it through my bank account. You can see this right here. Okay, then I will be waiting for an OTP. I need to put it right there, and then it will be done. Okay, let's just get a OTP, and then we will proceed with it. Make sure that you are also doing it all, and keep on checking on red alerts. Whatever red alerts are there, sometimes we miss to put the year like FI year is we used to miss. Then we also used to miss our primary and secondary address setting. Make sure that you are doing it all in the right way, so that you won't face any kind of issue. Okay, it's a very smooth process, to be honest enough. It will take hardly 7 to 10 minutes if you are sitting and if you are doing like with a mindset to just get it done during that moment itself. It won't take too much of time. Okay, so yeah, it's a simple process actually. And yeah, whenever you face issue, just read the red alert and get into the detail and fix it, and then again you will be able to proceed. So I've got the OTP. Let's just insert it and just get it done. So if you guys face any issue, you can just comment below in this video, and I will be covering a video where I will be covering a few issues while doing this. Okay, I hope it is helpful. And yeah, it's done. You can see this right here. Now you can also download the receipt. You can see this right here. Okay, it's done from my end. I hope it is helpful. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to comment any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned, bye, and take care.